Reinstitute. Definitions of what qualifies as clothing or the clothed from the unclothed vary from culture to culture and from era to era. These clashes in values have had lasting ramifications, particularly for the victims of European imperial ambitions, influencing both cultures and traditions. Citation Levine 2008. Fine art often promotes and praises images of the European nude through sculpture and paintings, whilst the nude body of the colonial other is often represented through what is perceived to be a scientific lens, and often in an inhumane manner. Citation Morel 2005 and Levine 2008. Remarkably, history continues to offer us clues as to how the naked body can become a useful tool of resistance or decolonisation, with the image of Nelson Mandela and Mohandas Gandhi immediately coming to mind, substituting the suited figures accustomed to qualified lawyers for a traditional loincloth or a scantily draped body respectively. Coincidentally, the design of a stiff, structured aesthetic is mostly associated with the construction of suits, the institutions which they represent, multinational corporations, houses of parliament, the army et al., and a type of masculine performance characterized as Eurocentric, heterosexual, prejudiced, power-laden, corporate, at times violent, and often militaristic. In addition, the vocation of constructing particular garments for particular bodies via tailoring, is gendered and mimics Judith Butler's reflections on gender as a construct. This intervention, titled Reinstitute, is built on a growing body of work and theories on performing methods of undress towards a reimagined African masculine identity. Drapery, which serves as both non-functional and functional aesthetic distinctions in the appearance and construction of male and female garments, is defined here as a method of undress, possessing the ability to reimagine the common suit. In this performance intervention, the artist explores how the performance of African institutionalism could alter if there was an ideological and conceptual shift in how suits are designed, constructed and therefore presented. The artist has visited examples in the archive of fashion design to derive this question, particularly Bonnie English's Japanese fashion designers, the work and influence of Issey Miyake, Yohji Yamamoto and Rei Kawakubo, published in 2011, and their influence on Western clothing traditions and silhouettes in the 1980s. In order to understand the complexities and entanglement of the above provocations, the artist has decided to construct alternative garments, made with the exact same materials traditionally associated with suits. These alternative garments are, however, non-form-fitting, heavily draped, and worn in the everyday, as acts of sartorial resistance.